Welcome back to this series of Excel highlight videos. My name is Kathy Barker and this is Software Solutions. This particular video I want to have a look at protection. Sometimes we want to protect our spreadsheet so that the person can't change what's in this sheet called targets, for example. To protect targets, I'm just going to right click the sheet name targets and choose protect sheet. What Microsoft doesn't mention here is that passwords are optional. You don't have to put a password. So I might just click OK. So now if anybody tries to change anything in this particular spreadsheet, they can't. So this sheet is now protected entirely, and it's protected from people accidentally screwing up the spreadsheet. If you want to protect it that somebody can't get in here and take the protection off, then you will need to use a password. So let's look at that scenario. First of all, I'm going to unprotect the sheet. Right click, unprotect the sheet. I didn't put a password in, so I don't have to provide a password. Now I might decide I'm going to hide this column L, so I'll right click L and I'll hide that. I might decide that I want them to be able to enter a first name, a last name, in fact a region, department and year, but they can't enter the target or the deadline or the actual. So I'm deciding that I would like them to be able to enter stuff into columns B to F. So you can select a cell or a group of cells that you want to unlock and let them have access to. So I'm going to right click these selected cells and go into Format Cells. I'm going to go to Protection at the top and I'm going to unlock these cells. So the moral of the story is all cells are locked unless you go and unlock them. So I've unlocked these 5 columns and OK. Now I protect the sheet. So I'll go right click onto targets and I'll protect the sheet. I'll decide I do want to put a password, so I'm just going to put my initials CB in lowercase because it is case sensitive. I don't want them to select locked cells, only the unlocked cells, which is column B, C, D, E and F. So I'll go OK. I'll re-enter my password, CB, and OK. So now I can't choose any cells except columns B, C, D, E and F. Everything else is still locked. I can't choose what's in column A, it's locked. So decide, do I need to unlock anything? If you do, go and right click what you need to unlock and unlock it. Then turn around and protect the sheet and decide, do I need to have a password? Is there somebody who's likely to turn the protection off, in which case I need a password? And that's protection. Do come back for the next video.